BECE 2024 Maths Paper 2, question number 3. Before we begin, kindly please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for connecting with us live. Thank you. Thank you for sharing also. The question 3 has a part. Simplify 3 root 50 plus 2 root 5 minus root 2 plus root 5. So we have 3 root 50 plus 2 root 45 minus root 2 plus root 5. So this is equal to 3 root 50 is the same as 25 times 2. So 25 times 2. 2 square root of 45 is the same as 9 times 5. Then we have minus root 2 plus root 5. So we can see that square root of 25 is 5, so we can take that one out of the square root or under the square root sign. So that will give us 3 square root of 25 times square root of 2. Then we have plus 2 square root of 9 times square root of 5 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 5. So square root of 25 is 5, and 3 times 5 will give us 15. So we will get 15 root 2 here. Square root of 9 is 3 times 2 is 6. So that will give us 6 root 5 minus 2 root minus root 2 plus root 5. So we can see that we have 15 root 2 here and we have root 2 here. So 15 root 2 minus root 2 will give us 14 root 2. Then 6 root 5 plus root 5 will give us 6 of the root 5 plus 1 of the root 5. That will give us 7 root 5. So that is the answer you should get, 14 root 2 plus 7 root 5. Now let's take the B part. With the B part, we're told that a wire of length 38 centimeters is bent into the shape of a rectangle whose length is 7 centimeters more than the width. Find the area of the rectangle. So we have the rectangle like this. So the length of the wire that is bent to form this rectangle is 38. It means the distance around this rectangle will be 38 centimeters. Then it was given that the length is 7 more than the width. So if the length is x, or if the width is x centimeters, then the length will be 7 more than x, that is x plus 7 centimeters. So the perimeter, remember, perimeter is equal to 2 times of the length, 2 times of the length plus 2 times of the width. And that should give us the 38 centimeters. So the length is x plus 7. So we have 2 into bracket x plus 7 centimeters. Then we have plus 2 times x, which is the width, and this is equal to 38 centimeters. So let's expand. When we expand, we get 2x plus 14. Then we have plus 2x here is equal to 38 centimeters. So 2x plus x will give us 4x. Then we will get 38 minus 14 when we group like terms. And 38 minus 14 will give us 24. So 4x is equal to 24 centimeters. So dividing both sides by 4, we see that 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 24 6 times. Therefore, we have x to be equal to 6 centimeters. So if x is 6 centimeters, then we have 6 centimeter here. We have 6 centimeter here, and x plus 6. That is 6 plus 7 will be 13 centimeters. So the area of the rectangle is given by area is equal to length times width. That will give us 13 times 6. 6 3, that will give us 18, so 8. 6 1 6, so plus 1, that will give us 78 centimeters squared. The last part of the question, the C part says that if 15% of the length of a rope is 720 meters, find half of the length of the rope. So 15% of 15% of the length of a rope. So if let the rope be r centimeters or r meters. So 15% of the length of the rope is 720 meters. So 15 over 100 times r is equal to 720. So we need to simplify by multiplying through by 100. So we are going to obtain 15 times r is equal to 720 times 100. So we can divide both sides by 15 by 15. So 15 will cancel 15. Then we know 5 will go into 100 how many times? 25 times. 20 times. And 5 will go into 15 3 times. Again, 3 will go into itself once. 3 will go into 72 how many times? That will be 24 times. So it will be 240 times. So we have to multiply 20 by 240. We know 2 times 24 is 48. So we are going to get 4800 meters. That is 4,800 meters. That is the length of the rope. Then we have to find half of it. So half of r will be equal to 1 over 2 times 4,800 meters. And that will be equal to 24, 2,400 meters. So half of the length of the rope is 2,400 meters.